To make sure workers in Wales provide you with good care and support, Social Care Wales has a Code of Professional Practice for Social Care, or the Code for short. The Code is a set of rules or standards that care professionals must follow to keep you safe and well. The Code says that social care workers must help you say and achieve what is important to you, respect your dignity, privacy, preferences, culture, language, rights, beliefs, views and wishes, support you to stay safe, be honest, trustworthy and reliable, and be qualified to do their job properly. The Code can be found online at socialcare.wales/code or contact us on 0300 3033 444 or codes@socialcare.wales. All social care workers who are registered with us have to follow the Code to carry on working in social care. These currently include social workers and social work students, residential childcare managers and workers, adult care home managers, and home care managers and workers. From time to time, more groups get added to the register. For an up-to-date list of groups that have to register, please visit socialcare.wales. Our register makes sure that workers are suitable and fit for work, are of good character, have the qualifications they need, and agree to keep to the Code of Professional Practice. But what can you do if your social care worker isn't working to the Code? Start by reading the Code to familiarise yourself and check all the standards. You can then share your concerns with your care worker's employer and ask what they will do. If the employer doesn't address your concerns, you can ask for a copy of their complaints procedure to help you know what to do next. If the worker is registered with us and talking to the employer hasn't helped, speak to someone in our Fitness to Practice team.